Today's date is June 11th, 2024, and Benny and I are replacing this front window. I don't know if you can see it in here. See, this has got condensate inside the window. It's almost makes it opaque. So what Benny has been doing, we took the cement siding off, and now we're gonna we got to cut this back so we can get the window out, and we're come up with a it's kind of loose here. So what we're gonna do is get some more Vicor, and when we put the new one in, we're gonna peel this back and all of that. So I'm debating how far out we want to come. We're thinking about 1.5 inches, but I'm probably going to go 2 inches. We'll see. Up at the top, there's a steel beam up there, so we can't do anything with that. Anyway, I'll be back. Okay, so we're cutting a clearance right here, so we're coming out 2 inches. I'm going to put some 3-inch molding on there. We got to be able to put our sealant here. We're going to do the same over here. And when I originally put this in, I've got a 6x6 steel tube that's across the top up there to support these beams. So it's so we can't anchor anything directly to that metal for sure. So anyway, we're going to trim this up, and then I've got to go get some molding. I'm going to get some 3-inch molding there. So that's what we're doing. I mean, that's what Benny's doing. And I'm going to go buy the molding right now. So I'll be back. Okay, we're back. Benny is finishing up around the around this. We're getting our screws out right here. We have some up at the top. Then I got some insulation I'm going to put in here. I don't know what happened there. So anyway, we're going to be lowering this down, and once we get this down, then once we get the other one up, we're going to be putting Victor. We'll be putting this on Vicor. So this has got an adhesive on it, and that seals the window up. So anyway, we're going to be pulling this out in a second. So I wanted to get it before there. Okay, boy, this glass is really clear. Well, I like it without that center piece. That's pretty awesome. Wow. So unfortunately that's not the case. Anyway, so we're going to be putting this the new one back in here pretty quick. So I'll be back. Okay, so we started here about 9 o'clock, and it's 11:30, 12 o'clock right now. So we got it in. We're going to be filling this in and then putting on some new sealant and trim. Then Benny's taking this this out. So that's what we're going to cut this out, and then pull this puppy out, and then we're moving on to the next one. Okay, we're back. We've got the bathroom window in, and we're putting the sealant stuff on here right now. Benny's kind of an alcoholic, so I have to go get him some beer. Not really. He wants me to get him Perrier. Can you believe that? Anyway, we got this in. We still have to do the sealant. So at least we got both windows in, and these are going to go out to the desert. Okay, I'll be back. Okay, we're back. I'm holding the ladder for Bentuga. Now see, that isn't safe. You're not supposed to be on the top, you know, that far. Well, put your other foot over here. Okay, well, you didn't learn it from your old man, did you? Is that break time?
Oh, it's not like a train or something.
Oh, I'll get that for you.
Where's
the Mateo? What'd you do with it?
Oh, right there. I saw it. Right here. Behind you.
Oh, God. This is a typical... Oh, well. Anyway, this is what we're doing right now. See, that's sucking that up. There's a gap right there. So, by using a 16 penny nail, when he shoots this right here, you'll see how that sucks up the gap.
What's my idea?
Huh?
What's my idea?
Oh, really? Do the back one first then, or maybe we can do them both together. Yeah. Here. Well, that sucks that up, Eloise. Hit these over here, bud. So what's this hitting right here? This one, what's this one hitting? Yeah, right there.
I don't know.
It looked like it.
Yes, a little bit better.
That thing's a pita.
Yeah, I'll put one right there. Maybe.
No, you don't need to.
No? Okay,
So just a couple more along there. Well, this is taken 16 years almost. Let's see. Yeah. 16 years to get to this point. I could never find somebody willing to put up with me to work with me. Keep going.
This one, it works. Yep.
Bueno, bueno. Muy bueno. Okay, so that's ready for the painter. Did you leave any cracks in there for the painter?
Nothing for the painter.
Yeah, the whole, okay, everything's pretty tight. All right, well, I guess I'm going to start working on building this out for this too, Benito. So I'm going to pull this off and trim this, and we'll put a sample. I'm going to cut that one at 47 and a half.
Working the other side.
All right. So here we are, Benny's putting the finishing touches on the our window exchange. So there's just this one piece. It's kind of like those chiclet things, you know, where you scoot them around. You I don't know what they're called, but that would... So anyway, that's what we're gonna finish putting on some other insulation in there, and we're just... I was going to put the molding on here right now, but opted not to because I got to paint these. Black. I think that's a Rolling Stones reference. So that's where we're at 6. Well, alrighty. We're back to where we started. We just kind of changed one of the boards up at the top. So anyway, we got our new windows in, and tomorrow I'm going to work on the trim and paint it. We'll see what that's going to look like. So another beautiful day in the mountains. Alright, I'm back. This is a facsimile of what the trim will look like. I just didn't want to cut this just yet, but I want to use a chop saw. So in any case, and then we got to bring the molding out to this surface right here. But the window's in, and I got to put those corners on and we'll be done. So that's this video.